Good morning everybody and Selamat Hari Raya! Happy Eid 2024, and we're back here in peaceful Putri Harbor. What else that we are doing but fishing? so, uh, firstly about Hari Raya, why am I here on the second day of Aidil Fitri, the Eid, fishing? The answer is, it's my life. I can do it. I can have it however I want it to be. As long as I did my responsibility and commitments, all is done yesterday and today. We're here fishing with my wife. Hi wife. Today I did a little bit of some improvements, and as you can see right there, we have two lines. One is blue and one is yellow or orange, however you see it through my Insta360 1x2. And the reason is, on the blue line we have the crab pot, the crab net that has the usual 6 holes, right, 6 doors, the one that I've used before in my previous video. And on the orange line we have one with only 4 doors. I just purchased it from Shopee. Why did I choose the 4 doors one, 4 holes one, right? I mean, okay, my theory is the more the door is, the holes, the more chances the fish will get in and get out, right? Because on my previous experience, I've left the crab pot for about 2 hours, and supposedly with the kinds of traffic that the fishes are over here, I should be getting more fish. But why after 2 hours when I pull it out, I got only a couple, several I mean. My theory is, the more holes there is, the more chances the fishes can get in and get out. So by reducing the numbers of holes from 6 to 4, there is less chances of the fishes going out again, right? So I'm gonna share it with you over here. This is the 4 holes crab pot. Okay, so that is improvement number 1. Number 2 is I created my own special weapon, secret weapon. I've labeled it umpan mancing, which means fish bait, so that when I put it, left it in the kitchen or the store, nobody will be mistaken it for lunch, right? So what is it? I took some sardines, locally we call it salayang fish, and what I did was I cut it in half. The head part I put it in the crab pot, and the tail part I filleted it and I dip it in salt, the coarse salt I mean, right? So that I want to prune it, I want to just pickle it so that it will last longer in the water. So that's the result of it. Pickled fillet sardine salayang fish flesh. So it's rubbery and it's much tougher. The smell is still there and it's supposed to last longer, and then it shouldn't be dissolving in water much faster than the fresh flesh. When we cut any fish and we just hook it and we just throw it in the water, it dissolves easily. And this one is supposedly will last longer in the water, which means less wastage on bait, and the fish will have some lunch to get a hook into my hook. So I got this recipe from YouTube. If this works, I'm gonna share with you physically how I did it, right? Okay, let's see how it goes. All the best to me and wifey. Right, so after 1 hour of dipping into the water, we got some results. Ta-da! We got a crab right there. Just comparison to my hand, like so, quite big. And that fish there, I hope that it can bring his bigger brothers and sisters to come. And the filefish, got it again. Right, time to put it back in the water again. So now is the result for using the 6-hole strap. You got more small fries. Those are the small fries. They look small, but they are tasty. About 2 fingers wide. Let's try again. Got a souvenir. Forgot what's this fish name is. Gonna Google it later. But meanwhile, time to let it free. Go fishy, fishy. Okay, not much of a catch today, but at least we came home not empty-handed. But before we leave the place, I'd like to share with you this last scenery of Putri Harbor. Walking on this pier, and over there is the ferry to Batam, Indonesia, and somewhere else that I'm not sure of. The Putri Harbor ferry terminal. Okay, next week we are going to Sedili, the fishing place in Sedili, our favorite place. Of course, it's a little bit farther and a little bit challenging because we need to bring our tent, and it's quite hot over there with no amenities, no toilets, so got to live as it is. So with that, I would like to thank you for joining me, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Cheerio!